So basically the problem we're trying to diagnose is why the headlights work, but not the tail lights. There's gonna be a 04 G35. Signals work, both of them. And so do emergency lights. But when it comes to the actual tail lights, there's basically no, how to say that, it's no relay. I'm assuming it's possibly a blown fuse. Let me just get everything here. Oh, and the brake lights work too. It's just basically the tail lights. So, the lights work. Okay. Your best bet is going to be, I already took the liberty of basically removing this, which is up over here, bottom like that. I took the liberty of basically removing this, and there's two fuse boxes. This one right here, battery one, and then this is the one that a lot of people, it's a little dirty, sorry. A lot of people don't really look at. Basically, you remove your battery, and you just remove this fuse box over here, which I shall do in a bit. Keep you guys updated and let you know which fuse box I'm gonna use and which fuse is most likely. Your battery removed. You just basically you need to look at this box right here. So with this box, it has two little clips right here on the side. Here's one, here's the other. So lift those up. It should come right out. So I already took a little bit of looking what it was. 10A is that tail lamp. So it's your first one. Should be this red one right here, 10A. So I already ended up taking a little bit of looking at it, like I said, and basically this is how my fuse looked like. Real burnt, broken. Honestly, right now it's pretty cold, so I don't need the AC on. So I ended up just taking the AC off from right here, the second to last one, above the 20A. It's another red one. I just replaced that one and put it up there, which should be, it should work. They're all basically universal when it comes to the same size. So I'll keep you guys updated. Let me turn on and connect the battery and verify that it works. Basically, you just get everything connected again. Again, just for a little reminder, that fuse box I looked into was back here, next to the battery. Alright. So let's verify that this works. Turn on my headlights. Verify. So now, it's kind of hard to see in the nighttime, or the daytime, sorry, that was dumb. Daytime. But, let me do it better. I'm gonna get my sunscreen. You should see that both sides. Also mine. License plate lamp is also here. So if you have a question as to basically why your light doesn't work, but yet your brake lights work and everything else works, pretty sure the chances is the fact that your fuse is out. Mine was just pretty much broken. Looked like shit. But hopefully this video helps. If you have any questions or anything like that, just leave me a message or a comment and I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Other than that, like and subscribe. Appreciate everything. Later, guys.